Hey everybody, my name is Mike Hagan. I want to talk to you today about the Datacolor SpyderX bundles. Just this month, Datacolor announced two product bundles. One of them is this one here, which is the SpyderX Capture Pro. And then we also have the SpyderX Studio. They sent me the SpyderX Capture Pro to test out. I'm going to do a bunch of videos on the specific elements of this. I'm also going to do some how-tos, like how to use this in your workflow. Fundamentally, Datacolor has produced two different cases or two different kits. This kit, which is the SpyderX Capture Pro, is based more around the photography side of things. The other kit, which is the SpyderX Studio, is based more around the printing workflow side of things. So let's go through this kit. Let me show you all the parts that are involved so that you can understand which kit is right for you. All right, let's get into it. So we'll open this up. We'll flip this down so you can all see it. Put this packaging on the floor. Nice metal case. Inside the metal case, we have this first thing here, which is called the LENSCAL, and we'll do a video on that in this YouTube channel. You can see how you can use that to calibrate your lens autofocus. All right, so there's that. The next product we have here is called the SpyderCUBE. And this cube we use to judge and evaluate color balance in terms of the white balance here with the grays, the highlights, we've got the shadows, and then there's also a black point tool down here. And in a subsequent video, you'll see how I use that in the studio. All right, again, the SpyderCUBE. Next we have the SpyderCHECKR. And the SpyderCHECKR is a color chart, right? So there are a variety of reasons that we can use this in the photography space as well as in the video space. You can use it to check your white balance, but you can also use it to do color profiles for Lightroom. You can use it for color matching different cameras in the video space. And we'll do a video on this in the near future. All right, so there is the SpyderCHECKR, C-H-E-C-K-R. And then the last thing we have here, we do have a nice lens cloth, which I guess is used for the SpyderX calibration tool. And then we have the SpyderX calibration tool. In fact, this is the SpyderX Elite. And the purpose of this is to calibrate your computer monitor. This one also allows you to calibrate your projector as well as some other products. So I've done a video on this. You can find that on my YouTube channel, see how I use that calibration tool in my workflow. So this is a 4-piece kit. All 4 of these items, I think the price on this during their introductory period is about $319. The full retail price after the introductory period will be about $399. Overall, I like each of these products. They work well. They each have a specific purpose. And remember though, this is more of the photography-based workflow. The other one is more along their printer-based workflow. So hopefully this helps you understand what's involved with this product. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. I'll get back to you right away. Hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, I'd love it if you subscribe to our channel. And finally, if you want to be notified when we have new videos, click the bell button down below. That will tell you every time we have a new video go live, which is just about once a week. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep on shooting.